Do you know the code to the 6-7 vault? No? Well then, maybe we could try the direct approach. Ooh, look in the bag. It's like a whole 6-7 party. We could just squish your little face. Ooh, a clue. Look inside. Hey, a 6. You think a 7 is close by? An 8? That's just not the same. Ooh, you're number 1. We've got numbers. Wait, it's the code. And apparently they're still in order. It's the ultimate 6-7. But it could use some color. Don't forget, a rainbow needs 6, maybe 7 colors. And you're never fully dressed without some big eyes. Now that the guest of honor's here, let's dance. Wow, a claw machine. Put in $1 and let's go. Who you gonna pick? Ooh, you got a pinky. Let's see if we can get the whole collection. So, what are you gonna do with them all? Looks like it's gonna be a great big bash tonight. These balls sure like to get around. But why don't we help them stay more grounded? Move from the fast lane to some slice of life. Looks like all your friends want to settle down, too. Ooh, a Happy Meal. Oh, right, your tip. What's inside? Ooh, I hope there's a toy. Even better, it's an Orenburger. Oh, it's disgusting. That's a nasty patty. It's so gross, and yet we can't look away. So why don't we give it a makeover? Might as well pop a few of these pimples. Honestly, it's all just one sticky mess. Still, it's kind of fun to squish around. Let's see what else is in here. Not sure what it is, but it sure is sticky. It's not exactly an ideal snack, but it still seems fun to play with. Well, would you like fries with that? Never mind, blocks are more fun anyway. You can make anything, like fries. What? Fries are still pretty neat. Don't forget to share. Laundry day already? Well, get things turning. Wait a minute, that's not laundry. We're mixing up a special brew. But something tells me we're still gonna clean something. Here, Ratty, you could use our special water beads. Now let's pour out our special concoction. Next, our secret bath bomb powder. Because baths, like coffee, are just better with foam. Hey, you got a little something. It's a magic cleaning flower. It's got a dirty job, but someone needs to do it. Hey, need a hand? Well, how about a spare arm? I wonder if there's any buried treasure here. Uh-oh, Dracula doesn't live nearby, does he? I'm almost too scared to look. but not that scared. Ugh. Whoever's in here sure is messy. Wait a sec. It's not the undead. It's Orin. They've just been preserved in slime. And they've got all this cool stuff with them. Good thing you've got that shovel. Never mind. That'll take too long. Guess we gotta get our hands dirty. Or slimy, as the case may be. Never knew Pinky was so transparent. Ah, strawberry milk. Always makes things better. Careful, you might feel a slight pink. Look at that. You're somebody now. Uh-oh, looks like you've got company. Ooh, Pinky, you're looking a little red. Probably shouldn't poke those eyes. Unless you're using cucumber slices. Everyone can use a facial now and then. You gotta let the good times roll. Okay, I think it's time for the big unveiling. Ah, much better. Hey, Oaxis, you got something for us? It's blank, but we can fix that. It's Pinky! Well, she's gonna need some pink and a little purple. Why don't we cut her out, too? Now give her some friends and some enemies. Still, they're looking a bit flat. This'll liven things up. Remember, folks, it's important to stay hydrated. It also pays to color coordinate. Now this guy's really gonna take the plunge. Here, Simon, we haven't forgotten you. All two of you. Wow, someone sure was thirsty today. Why don't we stack you up like pancakes? And flatten you up, also like pancakes. Looks like Ratty's doing his business. Hey, he could use a little privacy in here. You could at least remember to flush. Looks like we got a clog. Better clean it up. Here, this should clean things up. At the very least, we've got bubbles. You never go wrong with bubbles. Looks like it's time to water our vase. Pesky flowers. Now for some shaving cream. Cool stash. But now let's add it to the water. Nice and frothy, but let's add some color. Pick any color to start, but don't worry, we're adding the whole rainbow. And look, the foam's not the only thing getting a makeover. Now it's time to mix it all together. Hold on a sec, there's something inside. Who is it? Wow, it's a rainbow Sprunki. Complete with a beret. Ooh, Simon's got a little gift for you. Let's add it to our collection. These special slimes come in so many colors. But they might be lonely in all those jars. Why don't we bring them all together? We could keep them like this, but let's mix things up. What a lovely shade of brown, the color of chocolate. Oren, what's wrong? Oh, there's a prize inside. Uh-oh, you know who? Not much of a prize. You hear that? It's our old pal Wenda. But she doesn't look too good. Let's check her out. Ooh, talk about indigestion and all that slime. I think we could put it to better use. Add some cute things and sprinkles. Come on, we need sugar, spice, and everything nice. And our special ingredient, elbow grease. Wow, things are looking much better already. Here, Wenda, this stuff should perk you up. After all, it's what's inside that counts. Now we just need to stitch you back up. Wow, you're looking better already. Cool, we've got Sprunki stress balls. Give him a squeeze, he can take it. Of course, I don't want to burst your bubble. No wait, on second thought, I kinda do. That's one way to show us what you're made of. Always best to share.
Oops.
And that goes for you, too. Ooh, water beads. So why don't we keep squeezing? Okay, Pinky, you're up next. Wow, she's feeling really squishy today. Now I really want to know what's inside her. Well, would you look at all that sand? You know what that means. It's time for some sand art. It's time to give us a nice big smile. Let's see how many lollipops you can fit. Uh-oh, it looks like they're all stuck. Don't worry, Kitty's here to help. Oh no, you pulled a little too far. Well, you did need a cleaning anyway. Now they're ready for the big homecoming. Well, hello, Kitty. What have you got for us today? Wow, it's some pretty pink slime. And it looks like it's got prizes inside. Dig them out. Hey, they're tiny blocks. We can use them to make our own Hello Kitty. And Kitty's got a new feline friend. Want an apple? It's not poisoned. But it sure is tough. Don't worry. Mix it with slime and some fake teeth. After all, you want to save some teeth for yourself. Ooh, Kitty's feeling naughty today. But slime is a terrible thing to waste. Hey, the slime stole all your makeup. So let's give it a facial while you're at it. In fact, how about a whole makeover? We've got blush, eyeshadow, and red lipstick. Some eyebrows wouldn't hurt either. Looks like Kitty wants to help too. Our unicorn left us a special present. Glitter. Kitty's gonna sleep good tonight. Looks like there's enough to go around.
Okay.
I know. Pour in some glue and red dye. Stir it all together, and what have you got? Some really sparkly slime. That's what. It makes it a lot easier to take out, too. Don't forget to thank that unicorn. Uh-oh. Hey, keep your slime to yourself. Don't worry, we've got just the toy to help. Careful, you don't want a tummy ache. See, you can't even keep it down. I'd keep an eye on that wallet if I were you. But don't worry about your fake diamonds. You'll get them back, just in slime form. Honestly, even real diamonds would be better off in slime. Oh, Kitty, you're getting litter everywhere. Wait a minute. I think it's Kinetic sand. And we've got just the thing for it. Kitty's not the only one who can make paw prints. That's just the start. We can make all sorts of things. Ew, I wasn't talking about that. This slime looks pretty, but it's not edible. But if you're hungry, you should have just asked. We have just the yummy gummy dish for you. Don't forget to add some powdered sugar. Mix it all up until it turns pink. Now you can have your slime and eat it too.
Yum, yum.